Hello, and today in the mail I got a new Baby Einstein FHE DVD off Amazon. And I know Amazon isn't the best place to get FHEs, but I did get the right one. And the FHE DVD is Baby Dolittle Neighborhood Animals 2001 DVD. Really glad I have this. I also have the late 2002 DVD, and I don't really feel like getting it right now. Yeah, whatever. Really glad I have. Here's the front, side, FHE logo, back, and here is the disc, and here's now for the parents and the parents guide. Front, back, inside. Look at this. Here is the disc. Here, FHE logo. Down here it says 2001, and you can't see it. It says it. I didn't actually put the disc in yet, but I will after I'm done recording. Yeah, this isn't actually isn't the only FHE DVD I have. I also have Baby Mozart 2000 DVD, which I showed in my DVD collection. Because FHE logo. So, I now have 2 FHE DVDs. I might get more FHE DVDs like Baby Van Gogh or Baby Shakespeare, World Hymn, Baby Bach, and so on. That's about it for this video. The next video is gonna be a review and reading of a book that I got recently. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.